Hi there, students. Ellipsis. Ellipsis. Okay, ellipsis is the missing out of words when it's obvious what we mean without using them. So, I don't want to leave, but I have to. Okay, I have to leave. I've left out the to leave because it's obvious from the context what is meant, and this is a simple form of ellipsis. You can also have an ellipsis mark. Normally I use 3 dots. You know this exercise I do every day. Fill in the gaps. Well, fill in the ellipsis. Yeah, the piece that's missing. Although, well, to a native speaker with a good vocabulary, it should be reasonably obvious, the answer. But, well, it can be more difficult than that. Okay, so ellipsis is where you leave words out of a sentence, but they're still clearly understood. Yeah? So, my friend said to me, how much did it cost you? And I said 20. I've left out the pounds, I've left out the currency because both of us know which currency I'm talking about. It's obvious, yeah, it's known. So it's the leaving out of words, yeah. These are words that are superfluous, but you can understand them from the context. Okay, so please, please arrive early, if possible. If it is possible for you to arrive early. But ellipsis, I just leave out the rest because you know what it means. Okay, so an ellipsis. This is talking about reading between the lines. But this is maybe more specific for the words that haven't been said. Because very often, if you listen to people properly, what they don't say, particularly the British, is much, much more important than what they actually do say. Okay, and that's why ellipsis is important. So, I've been to London. Have you been to London? But I don't have to use that. That's more ellipsis. Wow, that looks good. I'm going to eat 20. We both can see what I'm looking at, and the context tells me what I'm looking at. But I don't use the words because they're not necessary. Yeah, and this is really the idea of ellipsis, is leaving things out that you can infer directly and very easily from the context. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. He runs faster than I run. Yes. Do you want to make some money? And he said, I do. I really do. Here again, the do is representing make a lot of money. Yeah. So elliptical as an adjective, but notice elliptical can also be of an ellipse, of an oval shape. Yeah. And I think probably ellipsis, both countable and uncountable noun. Use this for when people are talking about leaving things out. I think one of the problems maybe with ellipsis is often we are thinking about something in our minds, and we say something to people, but they don't have the context that we have in our minds, and then they don't understand us, because ellipsis, it needs to be comprehensible from the context. So ellipsis, formality. This is formal. 7 informality. Use it in a semi-formal writing or above. Don't use it informally. I don't think it's a good word. And then it comes from ancient Greek through Latin, Ellipsis, and emit the emission of something. Elepo, to omit, to fall short, and cis is just the suffix to make it into a noun. So enough ellipsis. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ellipsis.